In the next couple movies, we're going to look at the process of shooting scenes in a little more detail. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about calling shots, which ensures that the scene actually gets recorded. This is the workflow that all film sets follow when it's time to roll camera. Before the camera actually starts rolling, the first AD will yell out for the crew to settle.
Quiet, please!
The exact wording, varies based on locale, but they typically say something like "pictures up" or "quiet, please," something along those lines. The first AD will then double check with both the DP and the sound mixer that they're ready to roll. Then the second AC will place the slate in front of the camera, and the camera operator will focus on the slate before they hit record. That way, the first frame of the captured video starts with the slate. That makes it easier for the editor to organize the footage in post. Next, somebody, usually the first AD, will call out to the camera by simply yelling, "Camera?" This is called a call because it expects a response, like a question. The camera operator will start to record and respond by saying "rolling" or "speeding." Then the AD will call out to the sound mixer by calling "sound." The sound mixer will make sure that they are recording audio, and then they'll respond "speeding" or "sound speed." Both the terms rolling and speed are remnants of the earliest days of movies with sound, when the camera would literally have to roll the reels of film, and it would take a moment for the camera to be rolling up to the speed it needed to match with the audio. Here's what this process looked like when Gavin made these calls on set.
Quiet, please! Roll sound. Sound speed. Roll camera. Camera speed.
On modern production, it's common for the audio to start recording first. This is because digital video takes up a lot more storage space than audio does. Also, there are times when everyone else is ready, but the audio hears a problem once we start recording.
All right, roll sound. Okay, hold on. Hold for sound.
This little delay here would have taken up many gigabytes of wasted data and would have added problems for the offloading of the media on set, and the storage of the data, and for the editor. So we have audio go first. After the sound mixer and camera operator respond to the calls of the first AD, the second AC will then slate, which we'll look at next. Then the director waits for everyone to get settled. Usually the camera will need to focus again and reframe the shot, and will say to the director "set," meaning that they are rolling, focused, and ready to shoot the scene. Then the director calls action, and the actors perform the scene. When that's done, the director will yell "cut." On some sets, the first AD will call action and cut, but I prefer to do that myself when I'm directing. Especially in the case of calling cut, it can be an artistic choice of how long to hold on an actor's expression, or to leave enough time for a dissolve to the next shot in the edit. And as director, I want to be able to make that choice. Calling the shot helps everyone on set be on the same page for filming, and it's another one of those necessities that's been the same for decades.